Hey guys, it's Bree and welcome to my channel. So as you all can tell by the title, this video is going to be a how to tuck in your hoodies video. Before I get into this video, make sure you guys go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notifications bell. That way you get notified every time I have a new upload. And of course, comment down below. It really helps when you guys engage and interact with the videos. So yeah, this video was actually recommended by one of you guys. If I'm gonna try to find the comment and insert it somewhere, but yeah, somebody commented on a previous video about like how to tuck in hoodies, and I'm not gonna lie, when I read the comment, it threw me a little bit because I had never even considered tucking in my hoodies. Like, I just never even thought of it, so it was kind of a challenge. But nonetheless, I came up with 3 hoodie tuck-in tips or ideas or looks for you guys. So that's what I will be showing you in today's video. So hopefully it helps. Thank you for commenting. And if you guys have any specific content that you guys want to see, make sure you leave it down below. So for our first look, we are just tucking our hoodies all the way in, I guess. So for this one, I definitely recommend using a looser fit jean, so more like a boyfriend jean or a mom jean. And if you're a guy, just like a more of a relaxed fit, just definitely something that's not super skin tight. Yeah, so the object is basically to tuck your hoodie into your pants, as far into your pants as possible, and you want to basically grab the bottom of it and just pull it as far down as you can. And the object is to make it as smooth and as seamless as possible, so you don't have any awkward bulging created from your hoodie just being stuffed into your pants. So once you have it tucked in, smooth, to your liking, then obviously you want to do up your pants. And if you want to finish off your look with a belt, go right on ahead. And yeah, this is just a great way to, I don't know, classify your hoodies. Is that even a word? Okay, so for our next tuck, we are just going to do a front tuck. I talked about this in my 10 ways to transform your oversized t-shirt, so make sure you guys check out that video if you need any ideas on that. But yeah, you basically just get a little tiny bit of your hoodie and tuck it right into the front of your pants. You can also do this a little bit more off-centered for, I guess, an edgier look. Just give it a little more oomph. But this is a great way to show off any statement belts, or if you just want to kind of show off your waist and your shape a little bit, but still have the overall vibe and appearance of wearing, just the comfy, casual, oversized hoodie. So for our third and final look, we're going to do like a DIY, no sew, no cut kind of cropped hoodie. And basically, you just want to tuck the bottom of your hoodie underneath into the band of your bra. You might want a thinner hoodie for this particular look just to make it more comfortable, but whatever works for you. And this is cool because you can kind of make it as cropped or as uncropped as you want. If you want it to be more cropped, you just tuck in more of the hoodie into your bra, and if you want it less cropped, then you tuck in less of the hoodie into your bra. And if you do a less of a crop, you can still have a little bit of access to the pockets if that's important to you, of course, depending on the measurements of your particular hoodie. And you'll still have access to your pockets. And yeah, it's a little DIY kind of cropped hoodie. So those are my 3 hoodie tuck looks or whatever. Yeah, let me know if you guys tuck in your hoodies any other type of way, or if you tuck in your hoodies at all, actually, because like I said, I'd never even considered this. But yeah, actually it's kind of interesting. I feel like I might incorporate tucking in my hoodies into my wardrobe now, once in a while, and just have a kind of a different vibe. But yeah, I know this video was quick, but hopefully it helped for the person that asked for it, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Please stay tuned because I do want to do like a hoodie lookbook or like a hoodie outfit inspo type of video. Thought that would be really great, and especially with fall coming, it's hoodie season. It's hoodie season. Oh, I'm so excited, y'all. Hoodie season, y'all. Sweater season, hoodie season. I be up in my boyfriend's closet. I be in my dad's closet. I used to be in my brother's closet, but he moved. Listen, hoodie season is it, I'm telling y'all. But anyways, make sure you guys stay tuned, and if you are looking forward to my hoodie outfit inspo, go ahead and subscribe so that way you'll get notified when I officially post and upload the video. Yeah. Also, I wanted to shout out my business page. I am starting a clothing brand called Notice Apparel. We have not officially launched yet, but I wanted to go ahead and just start building my brand and our influence and just kind of building up the hype for the brand. And if you follow the account, you will get to basically see behind the scenes and kind of be a part of the brand coming together, and you guys will obviously know when we officially launch. But yeah, it is just a journey that I am embarking on, and I'm really excited. It's been one of my dreams to be an entrepreneur, own my own business and be my own boss, and to do like clothing and fashion, of course. That's what my channel's about. So yeah, I'm basically, this brand is just gonna be me taking a chance on my dreams. So if you guys want to help support that dream, all you have to do is follow my Instagram page. I'm gonna link that one below as well as my personal one. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more content, and yeah, that's it.